Pat, what are you doing today?
I make a meat sauce with the spaghetti. You got a lot of meat over here with the meat sauce. It's really a lot of meat. If this, everybody know, I'm a Chef Pasquale. Oh yeah, baby. And I cook for these people today. Okay, we got a problem. I don't got no electric in the house. I can't put on the stove, the oven on, but I got it on the top of the stove. I can work. And I want to cook for these people over here. Okay, now the meat is nice. Yeah, I like to put a little wine on the meat. Everybody know, little wine over there, a little wine over here. I salute everybody. I open the lights, it come fast. At least I can see the wine better. But it's okay, I got a nice lights over here. Salute. This is red. Oh, look at nice pots. Ooh. Hey. Okay. All right. Now we leave it cook. What time? About for 20 half hour. Anyway, maybe make a little mess.
So the pasta's done?
Yeah. Oh, you got some main over here. Put the lights over here. Hey, all of the lights. Oh boy. He's the superintendent of the long range school. I call, said it's okay, I was bringing food today for the shirt he got over here in the middle school. And Mr. Salvatore over here, Mike Salvatore, he said yes, I can bring the 6 or 7 pound.
Power's on. Power just came on.
6 or 7 pound the spaghetti meat sauce. And I hope everybody enjoy.
Yay! Grazie, grazie.
Okay?